What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about ChainSwap in this video. This is something that's crossed my desk that I thought was pretty interesting, right? Because it's in the more beginning stages of things, but definitely making a little bit of moves as to what I see within the charts. But also we understand the hype and attention that's around swap mechanisms, that's around these type of projects and these type of platforms and how the use case that comes with it. Because we understand like a Uniswap, we understand a sushi swap or a pancake swap and things of that nature, Jupiter, and how much hype that obviously gets. And we see the attention. And if we can have something that truly has that multi-chain functionality to it with the security that's backing it, I feel like it's a win-win, a no-brainer, right? But let's understand ChainSwap a little bit more because maybe we need a full explanation as to what we get with this. But guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about all of the links for ChainSwap is going to be down below at the top of the description, so feel free to check that out as well. But this is the website for ChainSwap. Very simply put, right? ChainSwap, where privacy meets secure cross-chain swaps. You're going to see the projects integrated into ChainSwap ecosystem: Avalanche, Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, BNB Chain. So you have all of those different networks that it is integrated with ChainSwap. Breaks down barriers with interoperability without compromising your privacy. A cross-chain swap, privacy mixer, privacy swap. Embrace interoperability and unlock the full potential of DeFi with ChainSwap's cross-chain swap utilizing Chainlink's CCIP and Circle's CCTP to trade any token effortlessly between various leading blockchains, all within a single platform. Obviously, that's a huge selling point. Integrating Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol, CCIP. ChainSwap unlocks secure and efficient cross-chain swaps through Chainlink's CCIP. This innovative protocol boasts level 5 security through its decentralized network with an added risk management network, allowing for the seamless transfer of both data and tokens between blockchain. Circle's cross-chain transfer protocol, which is CCTP. This innovative protocol eliminates the need for complex conversions by facilitating direct USDC swaps between supported blockchains. CCTP prioritizes security by utilizing a reliable burn and mint mechanism, mitigating risk associated with traditional bridge hacks. Now, right now at the current stages, you're seeing 30 plus wallets, $1,500 plus in total volume, and 80 plus total trades. So it's still in the beginning stages of things. You see that we're in the beginning stages. It's not anything to where you're like, oh, you know what, you have multiple hundreds of millions of dollars. Like, this is the beginning stages of things, like trying to catch maybe a Uniswap at $1 million market cap or $10 million market cap or something, when that's sitting at like $1 billion market cap, except you have different functionality to it that I feel like improves the swap, swapping in general, right? So anyways, let's look at the app just to give you a full breakdown of the app. Very standard, straightforward looking app. As you go into it, you will connect your wallet, and you'll be able to go through it as normal as everybody else understands how to swap on these platforms. You're also looking at the the followers for ChainSwap. If you want to check them out, I'll provide the Twitter account down below. They have 1,073 followers total. You can go through and ask them questions and see what's going on. The holders within ChainSwap themselves, you're looking at 1,208 holders overall, with 1 billion total coins in supply with about 6,000 total transfers overall. Now, if we go into the actual position and see what the position is doing, so ChainSwap, where it sits, it is at a $16.57 million market cap with $748,000 worth of liquidity. So this is good to see. And it also has that 1 billion supply, which all of the supply, 100% of the circulating supply is out there. The growth has been great. And again, this is just the beginning stages of things. It's currently sitting at 1.6 cents. And you see how it did increase, and you see this movement. You see the retracement that we saw. I believe this was with everything that kind of retraced during that time period. And then we saw that now it picked up and broke this all-time high that it had. Now actually seeing a little bit of a decrease over this, I guess, last time frame. But in the last 24 hours, it's up by 16%. It hasn't hit coin market cap. As far as I know, I don't see any information there. It hasn't hit coin market cap yet, and you're sitting at a $16.6 million market cap. Again, you have 1,200 holders overall. The last 24-hour volume, you see $1.1 million that has gone through this. And this is just through CSwap and WETH, right? Wrap ETH. So again, you see all the information that you need to see. You see the liquidity. You see the strength within it. You see where it stands. And honestly, looks really, really good. If you look at the DEX score, you're seeing an 88 out of 99. You have a verified contract. You have no honeypot. You do have the tax that's sitting there. Where you have that check mark where it's not above that 5% tax or above the 5% sell tax and all of that. So honestly, from what I'm seeing here, it looks like it is well put together. I would like to see a lot more as it gets on like coin market cap, but in due time, right? So currently it stands with a gain. I think you guys need to just give it a look, go and check it out, see what it's all about. It stands at $16 million. Imagine catching something like a Uniswap or a PancakeSwap or a Jupiter or something like that with a $16 million market cap, and those things go up to $1 billion market cap or $2 billion market cap or something of that nature. I feel like it's a win-win to be able to have this type of utility behind it, this type of security behind it, privacy behind it, and being able to catch it early. So I'm interested, right? I'm very, very interested to see where this goes and how far this goes. Because again, today it's up 16%. And we'll see how it looks tomorrow and the next day and the next day after that. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links for ChainSwap down below. I just wanted to give them a quick look to see what they're all about. Lately, I've been all about trying to find those gems, trying to find something that's really going to take off from the beginning stages and turn into something a lot bigger, not just from an investment standpoint, but also from a use case perspective. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.